Hi, a number of years ago I had the privilege of being on the board of directors for the Royal Botanical Gardens. And when everyone thinks of the RBG, they think of the Rose Garden and, all that sort of stuff. And in reality, there's so much more. One thing that I really learned a lot about was native plant material. And there is a fabulous garden in the Hendry Gardens called the Kippax Gardens, which is all natural, native to Canada. A lot of the stuff that you see planted in people's front yards and backyards have been imported from Europe hundreds of years ago, but imported from Europe. They do well here, but sometimes they overcrowd other plants, and they certainly are not productive with regards to insects and things like that, like the hydrangea. I have a love-hate relationship with the hydrangea. It's beautiful, gorgeous this time of year, but they take so much water to keep going. They get dry so fast. Something like the goldenrod, which I love, takes absolutely no effort. They spread, they propagate, and they do not cause your allergies. It is so rare for someone to be allergic to goldenrod. You have no idea. You see them because they're beautiful and big and they come into bloom this time of year, but they don't blow pollen out. They attract bees to them with their colorful flowers. What's blowing pollen out right now is ragweed, and ragweed you barely see because it's just this innocuous green weed with green flowers that grows fairly, not low to the ground, but 6, 8, 12 inches, and it blows its pollen everywhere. That's what you're allergic to. You just happen to see goldenrod at the very same time. So take a look at some of the natives that are out there, the native plant material. They take very little effort. They have very deep root systems. You don't need to water them as much. They're prolific. They're great for the environment, and they're great for the insects, and including the bees this time of year. So that's my little PSA on goldenrod and natives. Take care. Bye for now.